whistle.
That's a nice whistle. I want to have it.
Hello. I hear you like a game of cards.
You like a game of cards.
So, what shall we play for?
His soul.
His whistle.
His teeth. I collect teeth.
Fair enough. And what will you stake?
We've got 40 barrels of gold. Any good?
Very good.
Fetch the coffers.
Good. Let's play then.
And with that, they settled down to business. The soldier dealt the cards and won.
My round, I think.
And won again.
Is he cheating?
Well, I am, and I'm still losing. Me too. Deal again.
Certainly.
And he did. And he won. And the devils got into the kind of fume only devils can get in. Fume, fume, fume. He won game after game while the devils cheated to high heaven and low hell to no avail. By the first bells of morning, the 40 barrels of gold were stacked behind the chair of the soldier, who whistled as he won.
Well, my friends, I suppose we'd better call it a day.
No, we will not. We will call it a breakfast, and you the meal.
First, make sure who eats whom. What do you call this?
It's a sack. A sack. Just a sack.
Is it? Then by the grace of God, get in it.